Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Are you like me? Do you have cell phone charger cords that are splitting and fraying and coming apart like this? It's so maddening, right? You're scared you're going to get electrocuted. Probably not, but still, we want to fix this, and here's an easy way to do it. You will need some paper clips, some scissors, some glue, and some yarn or ribbon. And here's what I do. Let's take a paper clip, and I'm going to put some glue on the charger cord. Good old white craft glue, just like this. A little thicker. There we go. That's way thick, right? Isn't this the way? Okay, just enough there that it's going to adhere to the yarn or the string. You can do this with string. And I go like this. I put the raw end down where it's going to be concealed in a second. Then I start wrapping. Wrap it snugly, and as you go, you'll see that it's easy to conceal that raw edge. You are going to have one raw edge to think about, but between the glue and a paper clip, you're going to be fine. So I get all the way down to the end where I have completely concealed the crack in the casing of the wire. And now I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to stick a little more glue on there, like so. You could use crazy glue also. And then I'm going to wrap it like this, and then to keep it from coming undone, although I don't think it will, it's already sticking beautifully, I would just take another paper clip and just hold that on there so that it won't undo. Then let it dry, and the next thing you know, you'll have a beautifully covered, no longer coming apart cell phone cord. Hey, I'm your YouTube mom. Scroll through. I have hundreds of wonderful life hacks for you on this channel. And visit my website, jonihilton.com. You'll find my humor blog on there too. See you soon.